Adverbs of opinion are a very interesting and sophisticated way of making your English sound more fluent. An adverb of opinion is an adverb that you place at the beginning of your sentence or your statement. The adverb lets the person know how you feel about the statement that you are about to make. It lets the person know how you feel before you have even made that statement. For example, interestingly. Interestingly is an adverb of opinion. It lets the person that you're speaking to know that you think what you're about to say is interesting. For example, interestingly, a lot of people in Spain have started to buy our product. What you're saying is that you think the fact people in Spain are buying your product is very interesting. By saying interestingly, you might also be implying you think that this is a little bit odd or a little bit strange. Another example is the adverb of opinion, obviously. If I was to say to you, obviously we need to hire a new HR manager, what I'm saying is that this is a very obvious point. This is something that everybody should already know. By using the adverb of opinion, you know how I feel before I make the statement. Annoyingly is another adverb of opinion. I think that you might know that this expresses the fact that I am unhappy about something. I am annoyed about something. For example, annoyingly, I have to work this Saturday. By placing the word annoyingly before my statement, you understand how I feel. Basically is also another very common adverb of opinion. Maybe it's a little bit more difficult to understand. When we start a sentence with basically, we're expressing that this is the most important fact or point. We're saying that this is something everyone needs to understand. For example, basically, we need to redevelop our whole system. This is letting people know that this is the most important fact. So, there are many, many more adverbs of opinion, and by using them, your English is going to sound a lot more fluent and a lot more sophisticated.